Hey guys, what you see here is a Canarm CP56D11N high performance in white finish with a DC motor. This is Canarm's latest edition of industrial ceiling fans. So they've discontinued all their classic CP industrials for these new DC industrials. So yeah, I got this new in box from Princess Auto. They were on sale and wanted to get one of these in the 56-inch size and found them on sale, so wanted to get one while they were on sale. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to talk about the differences that the DC industrials have compared to the classic CPs that we have known and grown up with since 1995. The difference is the motor is identical. It's much thicker. That's obviously because it's a DC motor. It has to be bigger because that's what energy efficient fans seem to be, having bigger motors. And the other difference is the blades. That's the big difference. They have discontinued them with curved blades. They are now available with contoured blades, which is okay, but I wish they would have kept the curved blades though, the classic curved blades, because we were so used to them with curved blades. The canopy is rather identical. It looks like the classic canopy, but a little different. But yeah, so these fans are available in white and black finish, and the blade sizes, they're available. The blade sweeps are available with 48-inch, 56-inch, and 60-inch. And the 60-inch you can get for hot buy at Princess Auto. Yeah. So the lower canopy still has the red sticker like the classic CPs did from 2000s. It's the same sticker. The lower canopy, I think, looks exactly the same as the classic high performances, which are also discontinued now. So yeah. And around the motor, they continued with the white line around the motor. So when the classic CP started in 1995, they had the gold line around the motor. Then 2000, they continued with the gold line, had the red sticker on the bottom of the motor. And 2011, they started discontinuing them with the gold line and had a white line. And I think 2020 is when they were discontinued. And now they got these fans. I think since late 2020 or early 2021, it was around 2021 they started making these fans. So yeah, the thick the motor is thicker than the classic CPs, so I'd say it's thick as the 5th generation. So yeah. The top of the blades actually say that this is the top of the blades. It's written in red. They're on the brackets. You can't see them from below, but on top, yeah, it says that this is the top of the blades. Oh, yeah. So unfortunately, these fans are not available in 36-inch size. There's no CP36 DC industrial, which is a little unfortunate. I wish they would actually have them in the 36-inch size. They would look like the 36-inch contoured Four Seasons industrials. Like the ones that me, Alex, and Brian saw in Montreal at St. Hubert Plaza last year. And the ones that Carter has seen at his local Safeway. So yeah, well, maybe they'll be available in 36-inch one day, but not right now. They're not. Oh yeah, this fan is also dated February 5th, 2023, so this is very recent. So yeah. So these fans cannot be controlled on a solid state, or not even on and off switch, or not even like a 3 or 4 speed control. They can only be controlled on their DC controls that are sold separately. So you have to buy those separately, which I think is weird. Like, I mean, if there's one control that this fan can particularly work on, why not have it included new in box with the fan? That'd make more sense, because that's what some other fans are like, where that you'd have the control or remote come with it that can only work for it. So yeah. Anyways, enough talking. We'll get right into the demonstration of the fan. So let's turn it on. You heard the beeping there. So there's a rocker switch there. So once I turn that on, the motor beeps. So it's kind of like IntelliTouch. Yeah, I'll try and show the control at the end of the video so you guys can see how it looks like. If I can manage to take off my phone off the tripod without stopping the recording. If I do stop it, I'll just make the video, combine this video into that, and make it 2 videos in one. So yeah, anyways, let's get on the speeds now. So here's speed 1. So this is a 5-speed fan. Yeah, it has 5 speeds, and this is low, and it's very fast. When you look at it, you think this is already high speed. Like, I can already feel the air from it. Yeah, I can already feel a lot of air from it. Oh yeah, and also the control can control multiple fans. It goes up to 5 fans. So 5 fans can be controlled with this control. Yeah, so if you had a bunch of these installed like in a huge space, and you'd have several controls. Could imagine that. Wow. Yeah, I can feel quite a bit of air. All right, go to speed 2. Speed 2, I think, is supposed to be, I think, low medium. So yeah, I think this is supposed to be low medium. It's already going really fast. I can already start to feel a lot of air. Yeah, I'm already feeling a lot of air from this. All right, now time for speed 3. So So this is medium speed, speed 3. Yeah, it's already going fast. This looks like high already. I can already see it blowing some stuff around. I'm gonna try and be careful. Make sure it doesn't get suckered into the fan. That'll be a disaster. Alright, speed 4. Speed 4 is supposed to be medium high. I can already see it blowing these bags. I better just get them out of the way before it's too crazy. Alright, time for speed 5. High speed. Yeah, this thing moves a ton of air. I can tell you. I mean, I think maybe gold line. But yeah, I mean, this is a fast fan. I mean, I would give this a 5-star actually. These are pretty good performers. Yeah, that's a lot of air I feel from it. Alrighty. Well, let's do spin down and we'll do the speeds again on reverse. Spin down's really fast. So it doesn't take that long. I assume it's because of it being a DC motor. Spin downs aren't that long. So I'm assuming. Yeah, many Fanimation fans and modern forms have DC motors on them. It's today, the reason why they're doing DC motors now is because of the energy efficiency. Like, they want fans to be more energy efficient. Yeah, I know, I've learned about that news, about how they want ceiling fans to be more energy efficient. Yeah. Stops right there. All right. Anyways, hopefully reverse doesn't go wrong. The only thing that may go wrong is the canopy may suddenly fall, because this fan twists like the J-hook when reversing. So I'm a little nervous. But anyways, let's do reverse. Takes about a few seconds to... Did I reverse it yet? Was I a little too... I know it takes some seconds to reverse. Oh, let me try that again. Oh, there we go. Okay. You can't reverse this while it's off, unfortunately. I tried quickly to do that, but didn't work. Canopy might fall. Just to warn you guys. Because, like I said, it twists the J-hook, so... Oh. No? The J-hook was loose when I hung this, so I tightened it up. So, hopefully it's helping. So yeah, this is low reverse. Oh dear, this video is going long. Oh wow. Alright, we'll just go right to speed 2. I'm just going to make this quick before this video goes too long. So I've actually seen 5 of these fans in public so far. I've seen 3 in Montreal last year when I was with Alex. Unfortunately, I didn't go in there and film them. They were in a restaurant. I wish I actually did go and film them. But this year I saw 4 of these in a grocery store in Quebec City. And I actually made a video of those ones. And that was my first DC Canarm sighting ever. Yeah, this is why I got one now. Because I want to do a sighting of some before I actually got one in my collection. So, yeah, the ones I saw in Montreal, the 3 I saw were CP48. The 4 I saw in Quebec City were CP56. Yeah. And actually, near me, there's actually a music store that has 2 of them that were added at some point. I want to check those out. Anyways, enough talking. Speed 3. Yeah. And Jean has actually seen 2. One of his local IGAs actually replaced 2 of the Banville bronze lines in the... Yeah, they were Banville bronze lines in the lobby, and they replaced them both with these, the 56-inch size. So I'm assuming if the Banvilles were on a Banville EnviroFan solid state control, I assume they have to they definitely had to change out that solid state control to the DC Canarm control. So yeah. All right. Speed 4. Sorry. This video is already going too long. It's going to get even longer the more I talk. Oh, goodness me. 17 minutes in the video. Goodness me. I don't think my videos are usually this long. All right, and speed 5. So yeah, on my test rig, I had to take out the Canarm solid state control and replace it with the DC control. So yeah, I was saying earlier, yeah, the beeping with the fan is pretty much like IntelliTouch. So yeah. And like I said, I think a lot of modern fans today with energy efficiency have that type of control, DC control and remote. All right. Well, oh, I think it just beeped because I turned it off. Well, anyways, that is it. Just gonna try something here. Hopefully this works. This is an attempt here I'm making. Just gotta be careful here. So I tried this once and it didn't work out. No, it's too tight still. There we go. Here. Now you can actually have a closer look at the fan. So yeah. There's the sticker. There's the stickers there. So that's what I was talking about right there. I'll show you guys that's the date right there, as I talked about earlier. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. I'm gonna try and get it to focus. There you go. I mean, that's all I'll show, but I'm really here to show you guys this. So yeah, that's the DC control. That's how they look like. So yeah. Yeah. Let me just actually demonstrate it for you on camera. There's a beeping, and then here's how it looks. This is speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, speed 5. And yeah, so the numbers show up there. It always stays lit. It never goes off at some point. It always stays lit, which if these controls were in a storage room or an office that's always dark, then you will always have a little bit of light going on in there with the control. So yeah, but anyways, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DC Canarm CP56, and thanks for watching. And as always, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.